Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Ford Ranger window motor. Start by parking safely and lowering the window partway for access. Remove the door panel using a trim tool and keep fasteners organized in a tray. Disconnect the window switch harness and carefully peel back the vapor barrier without tearing it. Support the glass with tape or a prop before unbolting the old motor assembly for removal and replacement. Before you begin, confirm you have the right motor and any required regulator parts for your specific Ranger door. Lay out a clean workspace and label fasteners as you remove them to simplify reassembly. Keep a rag handy to catch any adhesive residue when you peel back the vapor barrier. If the old motor is seized, light penetrating oil may help free fasteners before you apply steady torque with a ratchet. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so we can bring more clear, hands-on repair videos your way. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your cabin smelling great during repairs. I find a pleasant scent makes long jobs more tolerable and keeps the garage vibe friendly. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. With the glass supported, unbolt the window from the regulator and carefully raise it into a safe position. Disconnect the motor wiring, remove mounting bolts, and pull the old motor out. Fit the new motor, secure all bolts to factory torque, and reconnect the wiring harness with a dab of dielectric grease. Test the window through several full cycles before reinstalling the door panel, aligning clips, and tightening trim fasteners for a finished, professional result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.